Hello YouTube friends. Ain't been a very good season. Well, I did see my good share of deer though, but didn't get one. And I could have got one day across one. So I knew I didn't take the shot first, and he ended up missing. Everything's going over. Well, I come out here and shooting my 350 Legend, and I'm going to try to make good on the video that I messed up the first time. I've done some shots already, and you know, they're already on target and everything. It's hitting pretty good. Well, we're going to load up some of this 180 grain and see what we can do. I'm going to move the camera right closer to the gun, you know, where you can see me shoot the gun. So stay tuned and we'll get started. Well, I got the camera started on my phone, and the wind's kind of blowing a little bit, and it's going to be kind of fuzzy. And I'm going to load up. I'm going to fill the magazine up 4 rounds. I got 2 targets down there, but I'm just only going to shoot at the one I've been shooting at. Probably go to the other target in a little bit. Well, I got it on sights. It's not real good, but it's close. I'm just rushing my shots. Seems like. Well, I'm gonna kind of slow down and see what I can do. Let's go up to the corner of that thing. No, it might not be on the camera. Let's try dead center. More shot. Let's see what we got. I kind of rushed that shot. It's the one I shot it in with. I heard so many horror stories about this 150 grain where the shots go in a deer and come out somewhere else. Possibly somewhere else where you don't like to come out of. It could mess up a daggum mount, as far as I know. Put the ears back on. We're going to the other target. Okay. I'm not sure where that hit. I know it's supposed to be high. Oh yeah, it is high. I ain't gonna move the scope. I'm gonna aim dead center. Well, them shots are gonna be naturally high because that's 150 grain and I got it set with 180 grain. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, I don't know exactly where we hit at. I really don't. We're still recording, yep. Oh, that didn't make no difference. So I'm gonna have to go under the target if I'm gonna ever shoot 150 grain, but I doubt it. It's gonna be a little bit different. Can't see the little screen because it's gone dark on me. But we're gonna go see what we done. Give that barrel time to cool down. And I got 2 targets out here. I wish deer season was great, but it wasn't. Because I find the good spots. I find the good spots when deer season is almost over with. But I know one thing. Next season, 8 more months away. We're gonna get us some deer. So yeah, 180 grain ain't doing too bad. There's shots within shots, but I don't know how they line up. That's not too bad. There's 150 grain. Yeah, that's pretty bad. You got 2 shots together right here, and it's starting to climb down, but I was aiming probably right here, and it was still hitting high. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one down. I know my videos are boring, but I I got some people that likes to watch them. I even made a friend or two on here. One that's in Alabama, like I am, but I don't know exactly where he lives, but he comments on my videos. I do appreciate that. And I try to comment back. That's what helps our channels out. I try to help their channel out as much as helping my channel out. But I'll tell you the truth, I've been on this YouTube for so many years. I'm getting close to getting tired of it, because you notice I don't put a video out like I used to. Yeah, I live in the country, but it's just making a longer video and using your hotspot that sometimes download. But sometimes I gotta go to Walmart. The nearest Walmart's 5 miles away, and that's a pain. Well, we're gonna keep this target. Let this barrel cool down for a little bit. We're gonna try it again. Well, excuse me. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. And thanks for watching.